Alam and you are watching Tricks on YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to find your YouTube channel URL or original link. Here is your channel link with long numbers or characters. Now let's go and find your original and short custom URL. Now click to open any browser and then click here on YouTube. Now click on channel icon and then click here on your channel. Now click on three lines and then click here on settings. Now click here on advanced settings. Here you must have to more than 100 subscribers for claim URL. Click on claim it here for URL. Now add a few characters if necessary. After add characters, click on agree and then click here on change URL. If you like it, then click on confirm. If here show you still same link, then click on three lines again. Click here on settings and then click here on advanced settings again. Now click here on your custom URL for change your YouTube link. We have done it. This is your actual YouTube channel URL. Now you can share your link on social media or print on business cards. If you like this video, so then don't forget to like and subscribe my channel, and thank you so much for watching this video.